Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam course. Let's create a dash product and effectively. Okay, I'm going to start from here. This is the 120. I can start from here. I just need to drag and create my line. I can open, and that's part here. So that's going to be and my half of the and diameter, because this is the radius, of course. After that, and of course we need to turn to the vertical line. Okay, let me delete that part. I can turn to the line entities and the vertical line, and then click origin and anywhere here. So I can write my length as a 60, and when I am turned here, I'm gonna start from with the minus 72. It is coming from minus 68 plus 4. Okay, so this line is created, this line. Okay, so after that we can go to 4 millimeters here. I can start from, I can start from here, and with the free form this is gonna turn to and the 4 millimeter, and then I can drag another line here that's also gonna turn to 4 millimeter, and then I can create it and that part easily, and then I can start from here and to anywhere like this. Okay, after that I can turn to the line and horizontal line, so I need to create that line here. Okay, so I can start from here and click anywhere, so I can write my Y position gonna turn to and 40. So I created and that line. So let's create this one. Okay, I need to create this one, of course. Okay, at that point maybe we should also create our chamfer starting from here by freeform. Of course, I can start from here by the freeform, starting from here and here. After that I can delete that part. Okay, this is my line. Let's create and this line. Okay, I can turn here. Actually, I can turn to the vertical line. Okay, maybe we should start from and here, it's not important, and click anywhere. And then actually this is going to be my and the Y position. My Y position must be like this. After that I can turn to the horizontal line. At that point I can start from here, and it's gonna turn to 20. Okay, so this is created automatically. I can turn to here, trim two entities, and select this one and this one. Okay, that's this line, and this line is created. After that I can turn to the chamfer distance with and the angle. This is 3 and this is my degree. I can start from here and here, and then I can click OK button. So this is created automatically. This is the 40 millimeter. And then let's turn here. Okay, this is actually my diameter 48. I can start from here. This is gonna be horizontal anywhere, and then I can write here 24 millimeters. Okay, 24 millimeters with my length. Wanna turn to and 28, and then I can create my degree. I can start from here. Okay, sorry, I can start from here by freeform and click here. This is gonna be and my degree. Okay, that's it. After that we can use the two entities options, and this one, and this one is created. After that we just need to create some and line like this. This is gonna be like this, and then I need to create another line like this. That's gonna be 90 plus 50 millimeters. So that's gonna be this degree gonna turn to actually 40 degree. I can turn to the drafting and smart dimension. Yes, correct. And then I can use actually wireframe, trim to entities, and I can delete all that part. Okay, I just need to create some radius here. That's gonna turn to 5mm radius here. Okay, this is starting from actually when I am turned here. It's analyze. This is the 7mm. This is coming from the 13, half of the 13, and that's it. Okay, we can also delete that part by using the divide. Actually, we can also delete that part and then extend this part like this. For example, 30mm. Actually, we don't need that part as well. Okay, that's fine. After that, I can turn to the here and stock setup. Actually, we can turn to the stock setup here, make from 2-point options. That's created automatically. Actually, I can click OK button and then let's create my chuck, and I can turn here as a parameter setup. We can start from here with that diameter. Maybe that position can be better, and then click OK button. After that, we can turn to the Lathe Toolpath. Maybe we can also use the rough parameters here, and we can start from here and reach here and click OK button. Okay, this is going to be my radius with the tool diameter 3 and feed rate and constant RPM. So that part is not important because we are using the constant spindle speed. We can activate our reference position. It's gonna turn to 3 here and here, and then roughing parameters. At that part, don't forget to activate plunge parameters like this, and then that's okay. This is my stock to leave X and Z position. This is my entry amount as a 1mm. This is my depth of cut, gonna turn to 1mm, and click the OK button. Okay, of course we also need to change our tool holder, and if you don't want to see that kind of crash and while you are plunging your and the materials like this. Okay, that's not, and oops, that's not important, but we can turn here. This is my plunge parameters, it's okay, but we also need to organize our lead in and lead out process. Maybe we can use the -90, and that's degree. It's gonna turn to 110 degree as a 2mm, and then we can also use that kind of retract position here. And anyway, that's not important actually. What's wrong with that? And maybe we should click the ignore part. That's not important actually. Let me check my toolpath right now. Yeah, everything seems fine. As you can see here, yeah, that's all about my retract position. Maybe we should also use the different and lead out options here, maybe. Okay, that's gonna be better for us. We can click ignore warning, so that's not important actually. We're gonna get that kind of toolpath. You know that this is the lead in and lead out position. Maybe we should also change our the lead in process, maybe with like this. Ignore warning. I can click here. Yeah, this is my lead in and lead out process, as you can see here. maybe we should make them 1 millimeter. It's also possible to organize as a 1 millimeter lead in and 1 millimeter and the lead out process. Anyway, okay, that's fine. After that, we can turn to the finish toolpath position, mill toolpath and finish toolpath position. I can start from here and reach here, and then we can use the different tool radius, of course. Okay, let me select my tool. I can double click on it, and then we can change the corner radius like this. Okay, and then we can make them 4, and with that feed rate, with that cutting speed, and this is my maximum spindle speed. Okay, and then we can turn to here to reorganize our lead in and lead out process and my plunge position, of course, and then we can activate it. Okay, if you would like to change your tool, this is the same tool. If you would like to change your tool, maybe you should change your tool number. I can double click here and then make them 3. Yes, yeah, I just need to click no button, sorry. It's gonna be turned to 4. Click here and no. Yeah, this is here. I can be on this side. When I am turned here, I can click this one. That's gonna turn to 4, and that's and spindle speed, constant spindle speed, I can activate. Okay, this is the roughing process, and this is the finishing process with the different and the tool radius. This is the radius 0.4, this is the radius 0.8. Okay, so that's fine, and thank you very much for listening to me. I really appreciate your interest.